if this law is overturned and struck down, those hidden child predators will be free to go on abusing children.
Legislation that gives victims of child sex abuse more time to sue heads to the state capitol. The session starts Monday, and it comes at a crucial 3-year look-back window. It's about to expire.
Survivors are waiting on the state Supreme Court to rule if the law is constitutional. They fear a massive number of claims could start to unravel. WDSU investigative reporter Aubrey Killian digging deeper into this new legislation.
Hey, Trevor, so this is the legislation right here. We got a copy of it, and the look-back window, it expires this June. One lawmaker wants the deadline extended. That is 3 more years.
And this is all about holding responsible the perpetrators of sexual abuse on children.
Senator Jay Luneau has filed Senate Bill 246. It extends the deadline for sex abuse survivors to file until June of 2027.
It pretty much affects any kind of institution that is involved with children where there is abuse of children that occurred. And basically, most of those times, a blind eye was turned.
While Senator Luneau making it clear the intent of his legislation.
This is not an anti-church bill.
But this January, the Diocese of Lafayette argued that the look-back window is unconstitutional.
Plaintiffs in this case, all 6 of them, say the apple fell out of the tree and hit them on the head, and they remembered something in the 1970s that they never remembered before. Oh, and they remembered it just in time or within a period of time to file a lawsuit.
But experts say most survivors don't come forward until they're between the ages of 50 to 70 years old. Many take it to their grave.
I think anybody who doesn't believe that the Catholic Church has enabled and shielded pedophiles isn't paying attention.
Local attorney Christy Schubert says the constitutional challenges have tangled cases and silenced survivors.
If the court strikes this law down, strikes the look-back window down, pedophiles all over Louisiana will be celebrating. They'll be high-fiving each other.
And Schubert says after a civil claim is filed, more evidence can be revealed.
A lot of information comes out, there's depositions, and sometimes that information that you get in the civil case can actually lead to a criminal conviction.
Schubert says take a look at 92-year-old former New Orleans priest Lawrence Hecker. He's pled not guilty to rape and kidnapping charges dating back to the 1970s. He faced civil claims before he was arrested last year.
There's good and bad in everybody.
Criminal court records stating Lawrence Hecker is a serial child sex abuser and rapist and a diagnosed pedophile.
That is a prime example. And I would expect there to be more Heckers uncovered if this law is upheld and if we get this extension. I expect there to be uncovering of more predators just like Hecker.
So today we reached out to the Supreme Court and asked if a ruling was reached regarding the case for the Diocese of Lafayette. At last check, still no ruling. Back to you.